My name is Bill Spratt, Director of Facilities Operations for Worcester Polytechnic Institute. We're here at Gateway Park, the Life Sciences building. This building here on campus is primarily laboratory in nature. We just completed 2 campus building energy management projects. This building in particular, we had 2 CM75 cogeneration units.
Tecogen in April completed a 150 kilowatt cogen system. The system was fully designed, installed, commissioned, and now being maintained by Tecogen.
The cogen component of this project serves 2 means. It's combined heat and power. So the power element of the cogeneration is used to offset the building energy. We're offsetting about 30% of the total building energy electricity. In addition to that, the heating offset from the engines, taking the heat from the engines and using it inside the building. We have boiler operation all year long. In the winter, obviously, that's for heating. But in the summer, it's to offset when we do our summer cooling. There are times where we have to cool below set point and then reheat that to drop out the moisture in the building for humidity control. This project was important because Gateway Park was one of the heaviest energy users on campus. So the 2 buildings that we did were Gateway Park and the Campus Center on campus, which in total were about 22% of our total energy on campus. But just by reducing that number in the building, we had about an 11% energy savings total campus energy between the 2 buildings. And it also reduces our greenhouse gas emissions by about 7%. Tecogen and the engineering component of this project really helped out a lot.
If a project like this was done outside, you would have many vendors the customer would be dealing with. And an engineer would be responsible for putting together electrical, mechanical, and plumbing drawings, getting those all stamped, submitting those plans to the various utilities and authorities that need to approve these plans and projects before a construction starts. You'd have to hire a mechanical, electrical, plumbing, insulating, and controls contractor who will be responsible for physically installing the system. And then you need to hire a commissioning agent to oversee the startup and the eventual operation. And then lastly, you need to hire a maintenance company to come and take care of your equipment to make sure that the scheduled services are performed in the timely fashion that are needed. Tecogen has spent many years selling equipment, and we've perfected ways of control and operation to make sure that our systems, when installed, are the most economical, as well as operate most efficiently and with the most amount of runtime.
The total project had utility incentives involved with it. We partnered with a company called Greener U and also National Grid and NSTAR to complete this project. The total project cost was offset by about 66%, or 2/3, from National Grid and NSTAR rebate programs. Things went very smoothly with the cooperation of the building occupants, with the facility staff, and certainly with Tecogen and the engineers working on the project.
By hiring Tecogen, you're dealing with one company who is the manufacturer that also has the ability to engineer in-house, install in-house, commission in-house, and service in-house. And that allows you to have one point of contact as opposed to many points of contact, and really mitigates your need for multiple sources and multiple contractors.